Hello guys, and welcome to my bathroom. So this video, we're doing a little bit of a review and we're also gonna do some cleaning. So if you are needing some cleaning motivation, maybe this will help you out. My bathroom is really dirty. Not only clutter, it's dirty. Like I kind of let it go for a while because I knew I was gonna be ordering this. So please don't judge, it's nasty. The other day on Prime Day, I ordered the spin brush. Apparently this thing's been going viral on TikTok, wherever. I've seen it quite a few times on YouTube, but it's an electric spin brush and it's supposed to make your life so much easier. So let's see if it works. This is the one I got, electric spin scrubber. This was from Amazon, like I said, and it was on Prime Day for 30 bucks. I honestly don't know what it is full price. I will have this exact one linked down in the comments if you guys want to check it out. So I went on TikTok and I was watching some of the videos about it, and in a lot of those videos, people were saying that they got scammed. Basically, people were posting a video about their scrub brush and then they were linking a cheaper version from TikTok shop, and it was a really crappy one. So the reviews were horrible. So I'm hopeful that this is a good one. If it's not, I will not put it in the description box for you guys because I don't want to steer you wrong. But let me just show you the one I got. So this is the main attachment here. This is the part that is going to be charged. I charged this overnight, so it should be good to go. I believe it only has two settings. It's the first one, and then like the mega powered one, and then it shuts it off. So two settings, I'm okay with that. I don't need anything cray. Oh shoot. This is the second attachment here. It goes in like that, and then you push this like that, and then it gets really big. So you don't have to like bend over, you don't have to get up on a stool. You can this is so cool, I love it. And then to lower it, you push this lever up and then just go down like that. And then to take it apart, you hit this button here, and then it just pulls right out. And then it does come with this nice little hangy thing here. So my plan is I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in the box because it has a bunch of attachments. I thought about maybe just like hanging it somewhere in my bathroom, but it has a ton of attachments, so I don't know what I would do with all those. So, all right, let me show you the attachments. The two of these little scrubber thingies, it's kind of like it's pretty rough. So I feel like this would be good for I'm gonna try this on my shower walls, like on the tile. And then it also has this little attachment here. That is what clicks into here. So you go like that. And then these are actually Velcro. So like I said, it comes with two of these little sponge brushes, and these are the Velcro ones as well. And those just go on there like that. This I think would be good for the shower glass, to get like glass. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited to use this. Can't you guys tell? This would probably be good for like the shower glass to get like hard water spots off of it. And then to take them off, they just pull right off. Dome brush right here. This one's really cool. This one I think they say is good for like the bathtub. Maybe the sink, I don't know. This might be a little too big for the sink, but I'm sure I'll find some other cool uses for that one. This big old brush right here. This one would probably be good for like I would say like the shower floor. I'm gonna try this on. You know what? While I'm doing this, hold on. It tells you to spray the areas you're gonna clean with cleaner so it can sit for a few minutes. So I'm gonna do that really, really quick. This is from Dollar Tree. It was $3. It's just a foaming shower tub and tile. I am gonna go back here and just spray it really quick, and I'll be right back. I just kind of sprayed some of the areas that I really want to concentrate on. Let me get to the last one. This is the one I was most excited about. Little, what is this thing called? Oh my God, a pointed brush. Hello. I was so excited about this one because I feel like this will be so good at getting like the corners in the shower. You'll see, I'm gonna show you guys all the nastiness, but it gets nasty like in the corners. So I feel like I'm really hopeful that this is gonna like take care of that. And this actually might be good for the sinks and like around the faucet on the sink. I feel like that might be good for that as well. I'm assuming you can just use it like this too if you want. You don't have to use this big old thing, but all right. So we are going to get into cleaning. First, I'm gonna go through and not even declutter. I'm gonna move everything out of this bathroom because I want to do a deep clean. I want to kind of wipe down every surface So yeah, you guys are just gonna come along with me and let's get to it.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in.
Okay, now that everything is out of the bathroom, I wish it could look like this all the time. Like it just looks like, I hate clutter. Anywho, I am going to start with the bathtub, I think. Yeah, we'll do the bathtub. So I think what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna use this one for the tub, and then maybe like for parts that I can't get, I'll go back in with this, and then I might use the scrubber for the tile. I don't know yet, we'll see. I've never used this, so we are just gonna kind of give it a shot and see what happens.
I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me.
Okay, that worked so well. Okay, that's awesome.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Okay, please don't judge me. I am gonna show you guys like the nastiness, and we're gonna see how well this does. So, oh my God, please don't judge me. Okay, so now I showed you a little bit of the close-up. I'm just gonna get in there and clean and stop talking. So, and then I'll show you guys some afters.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know.
Okay guys, I've pretty much shown you all of the attachments that I wanted to try out so far. I'm sweaty, I'm gross. I'm gonna go finish cleaning my bathroom. My bathroom's dirty, I told you guys. It had been a while since I deep cleaned it. So far I'm loving this thing. It's definitely getting into like the little nooks and crannies that I usually can't get to by myself. So, and like I try to use like a toothbrush, but this is way better. So highly recommend. So far so good. I'm surprised the battery hasn't died. I'll probably try to use it until it does. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with it. So I will put it down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. It's on Amazon and it's 2 thumbs up. All right, guys, so I'm not gonna lie, like this spin brush works amazing, but there's just spots that like will not, it just won't come off. Like it's the grout has gotten weird. So this video has turned into like a little bonus thing. So bought these grout pens on Amazon and we are going to use this and see if I can get it to look a little bit better, because yeah, right now it kind of looks like crap. All right, we're gonna try this. So this is what it looks like. Kind of like just like a paint stick. So you're gonna want to shake it a little bit. And it's just like this. All right.
But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
And then what I like to do is just take a damp towel and just go kind of across it like that. And then it's just gonna remove it from the tile and like this little part right here, but it will stay put in the grout. So I think it works so well. I've used this before in the past, so that's usually how I do this part.
'Cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So it's not perfect by any means, but I feel like it does help. All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me on this video, and we will see you all next time. Bye.
Kiss your head when you cried for